Whisker Haven Tales with the Palace Pets. Petite and Pumpkin make a splash. It's a wonderfully sunny day in Whisker Haven. Pumpkin is going to make the most of it. She's all set to go for a swim and would love nothing more than to have her good friend Petite come along. What Pumpkin doesn't know is that Petite has a secret. She's always been just a little bit scared of the water. Well, maybe more than just a little bit. Maybe really scared. Really scared. Petite thinks it might be a good idea to find another pet to take her place. Or maybe they can all play together in a different way. Petite finds Dreamy, who's found a sunny spot in the garden for a cat nap. "Can we play when I wake up from my beauty sleep?" Dreamy asks. "Okay," Petite replies, and she heads off in search of another friend. Petite makes her way to the kitchen, where she finds Barry baking pies.